everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss an important document for taxpayers, that is Form 26As. We will be discussing the following points. What is Form 26As? Why is Form 26As important? How to view Form 26As and how to download Form 26As. If you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified when I post new videos. So without any further delay, let's get started. So what is Form 26As? Form 26As is an annual consolidated tax statement used by the Income Tax Department of India. It contains all the tax related information linked to your PAN for a particular financial year. This form includes details like TDS, TCS, advance tax, self-assessment tax, and any refunds received during the year. One important point to be considered here is from the assessment year 23-24 onwards, the self-assessment tax and advance tax paid by the taxpayers will not be available in Form 26As. Now let's discuss as to why Form 26As is important. Firstly, it helps you to verify that the taxes deducted by your employer or other entities have been correctly deposited with the government. Second, it ensures that you have claimed all the deductions and exemptions you are eligible for. Hence, this makes your tax filing accurate and hassle free. To use Form 26As effectively, download it before filing your ITR. Cross check the details with your own records to ensure everything matches. Now we will see how to access the Form 26As. For this, first you will have to log into the Income Tax e-filing portal. The link to the portal has been provided in the description below. So here you will have to log in using your credentials. So we have now logged into the Income Tax e-filing portal. Now we have to navigate to e-file. Under e-file Income Tax Returns. Under Income Tax Return, view Form 26As. So once you click this, you will get a disclaimer stating that now you will be redirected to the Traces website. Click on Confirm. Click here and click on Proceed. Now click on View Tax Credit Form 26As. So now here we have the Form 26As. Select the assessment year and select View as HTML. Then click on View Download. So here you can view the Form 26As. Here you can see the PAN number, name of the assessee, address of the assessee, financial year, assessment year, and the details of TDS. So here you can see the different sections of Form 26As. You can see the tax collected at source, details of refund. Now to export this document, you can click here Export as PDF. Now the document has been exported to PDF. Let's check it. Now you can see that the Form 26As has been downloaded as a PDF. You can scroll down to see the different parts of Form 26As. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries relating to this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you found this video informative, request you to like and share the video and do subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next video.